Hey Tartlets, it's Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to line with our brand new Rainforest of the Sea Foil Finger Paints Shadow Palette. This is just the most beautiful palette. I don't know if you've seen it yet, but if you haven't, here's a good look at the outside. Now let's look inside because it's just as stunning as the outside. And today we're going to actually be lining with this darker slate shade right here, Sea Glass. It's so pretty. You can line with any of these shades, but I'm going to use this one today so you guys can see it. And I'm going to be using this double-ended liner brush. I'm just going to dip this one in water so to get it a little bit more pigmented, a little bit more tacky. You can do it dry, it's up to you. I just prefer to do it wet.
Set, go!
So there you have it, Tartlets, a simple and easy way to add a little shimmer to your lash line using our Rainforest of the Sea Foil Finger Paint Shadow Palette. This is great too because if you're someone that's not really good at liquid liner, kind of don't have a steady hand, this is great. It's very forgiving. Lining with shadow is just a nice way. It's a little bit softer, it's not as harsh, and it's a lot easier for people to do. So for someone that struggles using liquid liner, I would definitely recommend trying to line with shadow. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick liner tutorial, and until next time, take care, Tartlets.